Example 2 says solve the quadratic equation by factorization. X squared minus 664 is equal to 0. Now, the question is specific, okay? They gave us this method to use, which is factorization method. Quadratic equation can be solved using 4 methods. We have the factorization method, we have the completing the square method, we equally have the formula method and the graphical method. In this example, we shall be using the factorization method. I am going to explain to you in the course of this class all the 4 methods, okay, so that when the question is not being specified, you can then choose to use any methods that you are conversant with. But it is expected that as a student, you should be able to know all 4 methods. For the purpose of this course, which is to find the sum and the root of a quadratic equation, we shall be making use of the factorization method and completing the square method. So this is said to be a quadratic binomial. We have x squared minus 64 is equal to 0. Now, this is said to be difference of 2 squares because I can still express this to be x squared minus 64 is said to be 8 squared, which is equal to 0. So this is said to be a binomial, a quadratic binomial. So, and how do we solve them? In binomial expression, we are made to understand that a squared minus b squared can be simplified to be a plus b into bracket a minus b. For when you expand this, it gives you this. You can go back to our previous lessons on quadratic equation in SS1 and you will see this. So therefore, it therefore means that x squared minus 8 squared can be expressed as bracket x plus 8 into bracket x minus 8 is equal to 0. Now, remember, if 2 expressions are said to be multiplied to be equal to 0, it is either x plus 8 is equal to 0 or x minus 8 is equal to 0. So if x plus 8 is equal to 0, it therefore means that x is equal to minus 8 or x is equal to plus 8. And this is said to be x is equal to plus or minus 8. So with x being plus or minus 8, when substituted in this equation, it gives what you have on the left hand side to be equal to what you have on the right hand side, which is 0. So I'm not going to substitute it in this case for you. You can do that and you arrive at the same answer. Kindly like my videos as you watch. While I recommend that you subscribe to my channel if you are yet to do so, and also follow me on Facebook and on TikTok at my lesson teacher Maths. Turn on the notification bell so as to be notified whenever a new video is being uploaded. While you can use the comment section to interact with me on areas that are still difficult for you to understand. You can also share the link with your friends and families so that they can also benefit from our daily classes. We shall then take the last example on quadratic equations.